Yeah. I will send this one to all the mothers in the house. I'm just sending it to the fathers and to call them our mother. All of the mothers will love their mother. Say, yo! Alright. And all of the mothers will go say, they never leave the children and they say, hello! Alright. Bless the Lord. Listen. So can the mother sees the water child she bears? Can a mother sees for a turn up and care? Can a mother be living in fear? Though she's trying her best. Only can't see that part, you know. Trying her best. Yeah. Now this woman I know, she's been dealing with you. And it's a woman I know, yes, she knows no good. And it's a woman I know, it's a blessing from above. Cause she's trying her best. Yeah. Now I just love that she has. It's a love to behold. And it's a love that she has. It's a love to be told. And it's a love that she has. Can never go home, cause she's trying her best. Yeah, this woman I know, she's been dealing with your mindset. There's a woman I know, can she knows no good. And there's a woman I know, never go home, cause she's trying her best. She's trying her best. Listen, but we don't want no shot. I tell her bus you school. It's in that one room shop where she always gives. It's in that one room shop. Hey, she be so positive. But she's trying her best. Yeah, so can I no, I cannot mother sees. No, I just love and care. I cannot mother be. Hey, lifting in fear. Oh, she's trying her best. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Yeah. She's trying her best. Yeah, she's trying her best. One more time. God, she's trying her best. Rastafari, I hope they have love and respect. No plan.
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. In the beginning, Jah created the heavens and the earth. Then He created man, so likeness and image. Then He gave unto man wisdom, knowledge, and understanding.
my love and my strength. So whom shall I fear? He is my guide upon my right and my left hand. So whom shall I be afraid? Jah is my keeper. Jah is my light and my salvation. So whom shall I fear? He is my guide throughout this creation. So whom shall I be afraid? Jah is my keeper. Jah is my guide in my resting and my rising. So whom shall I fear? He's my guide when I step out and forward in. So whom shall I be afraid? Jah is my Jah is my keeper. One and only one. In spirit,
You're my best girl and the best you'll always be. Tell them you're everything that looks so good to me. I wanna be always close to you, to give an helping hand